Welcome guys to the new video today. We're with Taylor and his E63, and we're going to be plasti dipping his front grille, and we have an ECU tuner that will lower his car for some beauty shots. We'll go out, we'll get some rollers, we have a drone, we'll get some drone shots, and yeah, we'll do just a little fun day with the E63.
Dude, I'm super excited. So I bought one that was black. And then you just take the grill out, put the new one in, and I accidentally bought one for 2018 because I decided that I was not going to plasti dip anything on this car. But the difference in 2018 and in 2019 is that on a 2018 the camera is on the top, and on a 2019 the camera's on the bottom, and I can't find anywhere that sells a 2019 yet. So plasti dip it is, bro.
I wonder why they moved the camera down.
I don't know.
Maybe just looks better?
Maybe.
Can't see it as much? Either way.
I'll send you the address. You have to like come up this kind of weird road, but just come up it and you'll be fine.
This is gonna be very interesting. So I saw that you have to take off the whole front bumper.
Yep.
So that'll be a process.
So here's the thing, we could do that. Okay? It's a lot of work.
It is a lot of work.
Like a lot of work, like hours of work just to get it off, and then hours of work to put it back on, right? The other thing that we can do, which I have zero problem doing,
just putting,
if we're really careful, I have plastic wraps. So if we just tape off everything around it and then just do it on the car, we can 100% do that.
Because it's just these two blades.
Yep.
And that's it. That would make
I mean, yeah.
easier.
We let this thing cool down a little bit. We can just shove plastic down in here to make sure nothing gets on the radiator intercooler.
Box of supplies here.
Yep.
And we have
literally just plastic drop cloths. Put in plastic anything that doesn't need to be plasti dipped to the best of our ability.
So what are your thoughts on this little mess going on here?
It's interesting. When I bought the car, I said I wasn't going to put plasti dip on it, and let's change it today. But even though this looks crazy and insane, this is a lot less work than doing it any other way, and it's gonna look fine.
Until they have like a grill that's black that comes out. Right?
Correct. But still, like that's, I mean, literally, most guys to change these grills, it's like a 5-6 hour kind of task to change a grill, which is dumb.
Just needs one right now. We're not gonna use any.
Gonna get it started with the puppy.
Puppies get views.
Puppies always get views. All right.
Let it rip.
We're gonna go for it.
Go for it.
Slow and steady wins the race, boys.
Absolutely.
First coat or first two coats makes it look like it's gonna look like crap.
Yeah. Because like, you know, if you look at it right now, it's like
it's all uneven and.
All right. Time for the second coat.
Yep, coat number 2. Guy that owned the building put oil was gone, and I don't know what's going on. I need to lift it up and look at it. That's the thing, is that our office is in downtown and just try to. But the
What do you think?
for an M3, solid second coat. I'm still freaking out a little bit about plasti-dipping this car, but it's only because it looks like crap right now because there's only 2 coats on it. So I'm hoping after a couple more coats, some clear coat over it, when we peel everything away, it's gonna look super dope.
I think for the next coat, focus on the edges a little bit more.
Yeah. Plasti-dip literally just always makes me so nervous because literally these first 2 coats, it just looks terrible. Like it looks so bad right now.
Just like the most orange peel you can get.
Right. How sick would it be if we had a garage like this? I would be working with a car all the time.
Yeah, so we did that, and that's take the whole front end off the car, and that's the radiator and like all that. So that was a nice 8-hour job. But we try to do as many projects as we can.
Yeah. But all I want, man, is a shop.
What is this? What coat number is this?
7.
Coat number 7.
7 or 8.
And then we should be Gucci. We just gotta be real careful pulling all the tape off, because it'll pull up the plasti-dip.
Yep.
But then give her a quick bath
Absolutely.
and roll out.
Got everything. Alright, so we let the 8th coat dry, and now it's time for some glossifier. So let's do it.
How's it looking, man?
Looks pretty solid for the first coat. What, 3 coats of this? I think that'll do the job. It's already looking better. What do you think?
I think it looks great. It's gonna look really, really nice. Yeah, so we got like 7 or 8 coats of plasti-dip on, 2 coats of the glossifier. We're gonna do 1 more light coat. It's basically gonna get into I'm gonna try to get in all the cracks and crevices and things like that. Make sure everything's covered. And then basically as soon as this is applied, that's when we're gonna start peeling the tape off. You wanna try to peel the tape off when at least part of it's still wet. Makes it a little easier to peel the tape off without peeling the paint. So,
Alright.
it's pretty much done.
Okay, first off, so I'm gonna hold this up and like peel it away. What about these center bits?
Yep, absolutely.
That stopped quite a bit.
Oh yeah.
It's still wet.
Yeah, definitely.
From it and in pictures and video, it's gonna look really normal.
I love the way that it looks with the back, this black emblem.
Yeah, from right here, I didn't think about that.
My car died.
Huh?
My battery would be dead.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you plasti-dip a E63.
The greatest stuff. And it turns purple.
So we're gonna be using body wash and wax by Chemical Guys.
Chemical Guys. Yeah, it's this degreaser thingy. You have to be really careful when you buy a wheel cleaner, because some wheel cleaner it doesn't have the correct things in it. And see how I have red calipers? Some of the degreaser stuff actually has stuff that will make paint peel, and so the paint that's on your calipers will peel off if you use the wrong stuff on your wheel.
So assuming that you do your research, you should be okay.
Yep. A lot of times people make the mistake of using like industrial degreaser to clean their wheels. And that will peel the paint off your calipers. And sometimes your wheels, which sucks.
Little pre-shoot bath.
So, what are the next steps?
Get it on the road.
Yeah. Good shooting.
That's what I like to
Drive
hear.
it. And the sun's coming out. And the sun's coming out. Oh yes. I like it.
Cornmeal.